guys, we have 2 Shopkins again. This is all the Shopkins that I have right here. I have Polly Mops. I don't know what this one is because I don't have a checklist yet. I don't know what this one, but looks like Bubble Soap and Muffin Crush, I think. I think we should open up Shopkins Season 2. I haven't yet opened Season 1. I only opened Season 2, so let's get started. But I only found these at Target. I saw a lot of packs there. I saw no My Little Pony packs or no. Well, I saw those Pet Shop ones. I saw them in the toy area where all the kids get stuff. But I think we should start opening these. This one looks really heavy, so I think we should open this. Have you known these are really hard to open? There. Just have to keep trying. Okay. This is like little cardboard. Get off! There. Oh, here's the one with the checklist. I had a checklist, but I don't know where it is. I had it. Here's the checklist.